In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to an Excel or CSV file on Sharepoint OneDrive. Connecting to your files in Sharepoint OneDrive can streamline your workflow, allowing for seamless data access and analysis. Whether you are extracting data for a report or setting up automated data refreshes, this process will help you manage your datasets more efficiently and collaboratively. First, you'll want to log into your Sharepoint or OneDrive account. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Sharepoint or OneDrive website. Once there, enter your credentials, making sure you're signing in with the correct account as it will direct you to your personalized storage space. Keep in mind, it is important to ensure you have the necessary permissions to access the file you want. Once logged in, locate the file you wish to connect to. This could be a well-organized workspace or library. Navigate through the folders, and once you've found your desired Excel or CSV file, click on it to open it. You should be able to view it directly in your browser, but our focus here is to make a connection, so let's proceed to the next step. Now, directly from the browser, you'll want to capture the file's URL. This is crucial as it serves as the pathway for your data connection. Highlight the link from the top of your browser and copy it by right-clicking your mouse and selecting Copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Next, let's open Microsoft Excel on your computer, as this will be your primary tool for establishing the connection. Once Excel is open, navigate to the Data tab located at the top of the window. This tab houses all the tools you need to connect external data to your workbook. In the Data tab, click on Get Data to reveal a menu that includes various sources. Hover over From File. This sub-menu will provide you with different file type options. Since your file is stored online, click on From Web. This selection will prompt a dialog box to open. In the dialog box that appears, paste the copied URL into the address field. You can do this by right-clicking the field and selecting Paste, or by using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. This step is vital because it tells Excel where to fetch the data from. After ensuring the URL is correct, click OK to establish the connection. Excel might prompt you for additional details or credentials during this stage. This usually depends on your organization's security settings. If it does, follow the on-screen instructions to provide the necessary information. Excel will now begin linking to your file, and shortly after, you'll see a preview of your data. Review the preview to confirm that the correct data is being imported. If you're satisfied, click Load to bring the data into your workbook. And there you have it, a seamless connection to your Excel or CSV file on Sharepoint OneDrive. This process not only helps you keep your data integrated in real time but also ensures you work with the most current version, promoting collaboration and accuracy in your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy data analyzing!